Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an architect, designer, or someone who loves working on detailed designs and drawings, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into the best tablets for architects in 2025, so grab your coffee, settle in, and let's take a look at the top tablets that will take your architectural work to the next level. Let's get started. For architects who prefer a dedicated drawing tablet, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is a top contender. This 15.6-inch Full HD screen offers a fantastic canvas for sketching and designing with precision. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 stylus provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it one of the most accurate pens on the market, perfect for creating detailed architectural drawings and illustrations. The tilt response feature adds a natural feel to the drawing experience, allowing you to create with the same fluidity as traditional media. With its USB-C connectivity, the Cintiq 16 is compatible with both Mac and PC, making it versatile for architects who work across various platforms. While it's not a fully standalone tablet and requires connection to a computer, its ergonomic design, complete with an adjustable stand, ensures long hours of comfortable use. For architects who need to produce highly detailed tactile drawings, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is a superb choice, offering professional-grade quality at an affordable price. The Apple iPad Pro 11-inch, 4th generation, is an excellent choice for architects who need a balance of power, portability, and display quality. Powered by the M.2 chip, this tablet can handle heavy architectural design software with ease. Its Liquid Retina display offers sharp, vibrant colors and true-to-life detail, making it perfect for showcasing detailed architectural plans, 3D models, and high-resolution images. With Apple Pencil 2nd generation support, it delivers an ultra-responsive drawing experience, allowing you to sketch, annotate, and refine designs with precision. Additionally, its 12-megapixel front and rear cameras let you easily capture physical spaces for augmented reality, AR, use, or quick documentation of site conditions. The iPad OS ensures a seamless user experience with multitasking capabilities and access to numerous architecture-related apps like AutoCAD and Revit. Plus, the tablet's Face ID, features for security and all-day battery life, makes it an ideal companion for both work and play on the go. Whether you're working in the office, at a client's site, or commuting, the iPad Pro provides the ultimate flexibility and performance for architects. If you're looking for a larger, high-performance drawing tablet, the Huion Canvas 22 Plus QLED is an impressive option. With a 21.5-inch display and 140% sRGB color accuracy, this tablet provides ample space for architects to work on detailed projects, making it perfect for designing floor plans, 3D models, and high-resolution renderings. The QLED screen delivers brilliant colors and enhanced contrast, while the full laminated screen minimizes parallax, providing a more accurate drawing experience. The Huion Pentec 3.0 stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, ensuring that every stroke is captured with precision. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android, so it works seamlessly with a variety of design software like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit. Additionally, the tablet includes a mini KeyDial K20 that provides quick access to frequently used tools and functions, streamlining workflow. The Canvas 22 Plus is an excellent choice for architects who want a professional, large-screen drawing tablet with great color accuracy and flexibility at an affordable price. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is a versatile 2-in-1 tablet that doubles as a laptop, making it an ideal choice for architects who need a powerful, portable device. With its Intel Core i5 processor, 256GB storage, and 8GB RAM, it can run architectural software like AutoCAD and Revit with ease, providing a smooth workflow for both office and on-site work. The 12.3-inch PixelSense display offers vibrant, sharp visuals, and the Surface Pen provides precise drawing and annotation capabilities, perfect for sketching designs and making quick adjustments to digital plans. The Windows 10 Pro operating system is a major plus for architects, as it supports the full range of professional design software that macOS or Android devices can't always handle. The Typecover keyboard turns the Surface Pro 7 into a full laptop, making it a great all-in-one device for design and productivity. Additionally, its lightweight, slim design and long battery life make it easy to carry around to client meetings or on-site assessments. For architects seeking a more affordable, portable option for sketching and basic design tasks, the Huion HS611 is a fantastic choice. This compact tablet features a 10-inch active area and comes with a battery-free stylus offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it a responsive tool for drawing, note-taking, and creating rough drafts of designs. The tablet also includes 8 multimedia keys and 10 express keys, allowing for quick access to commonly used tools and functions, enhancing workflow. Although it doesn't have its own screen like other models, it is compatible with both Windows and Android devices, making it perfect for mobile use, particularly for architects who prefer a smaller form factor for sketching on the go. The tilt functionality adds a natural drawing experience, and the lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended sessions. The Huion HS611 is ideal for architects looking for a basic budget-friendly option that still delivers precision and functionality. So, there you have it, folks. From powerful performance to versatile drawing tools, these tablets have everything architects need to bring their designs to life in 2025. Whether you're looking for a sleek portable tablet like the iPad Pro, a dedicated drawing tablet like the Wacom Cintiq, or a budget-friendly option like the Huion HS611, there's something for everyone. Let me know in the comments which tablet you think is best for your architectural needs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.